Hello everybody. I'm here making a video on the integration of Google Classroom and Google Meets. So if you're on your Google Classroom homepage, whatever the lesson is, I have a number of pages. I can show you all of my Google pages. Some of these are meant to be practice pages. I have one for Tutoria now for distance learning, and my IB classes as well, my social and cultural anthropology and my theory of knowledge. So I'm going to go to my distance learning practice page, and from this page I'm going to show you how Google now has responded to the concerns of educators regarding student integration into the classroom. So on this page we're going to go to our configuration wheel here, and we click on our configuration wheel. We go down to the general category here, and you can see that Meet is now part of the Google Classroom. Now I already have a link set up, but what you'll do this first time, it'll say generar enlace, generate link, and I can change this link if I want to. I can change it. I'm going to change it here. You can see, if you're watching carefully, that the letters have now changed, and it's not visible to my students. Visible para los alumnos. It's not yet, but if I were to click this link and open it up and save, and go to the save button in the upper right hand corner, I've now turned this on and I've saved it by clicking on save. When I return to my home page, my link is there on my home page, on the title, distance learning. My link is there. So Google not only has responded by making it easier to create links for our Google Classroom home pages, but what they've also done now is that you, as the meeting creator, have the ability to turn off or eliminate people from the group, one, and two, as long as you are the last person to leave the Google meeting, no one can use that link again. So once you've left as the teacher in that classroom, that link will no longer be live or viable for students to continue to use it like it was in the past, and that was a concern for all of us. But now that we have this set up, Google has responded to the needs of teachers and educators in distance learning during the shutdown here, and this is a very good thing.